In this video, I'm going to be talking about the concept of text editors. We're going to look at what text editors are. So, what exactly is a text editor? So, a text editor is just a software developed to allow users to edit text documents. So, an example of that would be like Microsoft Word. Okay, Microsoft Word is a good example of a text editor. But however, there are text editors that are developed specifically for software engineers to help them develop softwares. Okay, so the text editors that are enhanced for software development. Maybe the difference between a text editor meant for editing documents that it doesn't have a lot of features that a text editor that is meant for software development has. So if you look at a text editor for software development, they may have colors or a lot of color codes. They may be counting lines as you are programming. They might have a terminal installed. They might have many more other features to enable developers to build software conveniently. But they do not have compilers and interpreters installed. They do not have compilers and interpreters or debuggers that come pre-installed. So they just have a limited set of tools that help developers build good software. But they don't have all the features. Okay. So examples of text editors, we have Notepad. You can use it for documents. You might have also Microsoft Word. You can also use it for editing documents. But examples of text editors that are meant for software development, you have Visual Studio Code. We have Sublime Text. We have Bracket. We have Atom. Okay, there are many more out there. There's Notepad++. There's a lot of them out there. You just pick the one that you like. You try all of them. You stick with the one that you want. Okay, so that's what text editors are. Okay, so I'm going to show you the difference between a text editor for software development and text editor just for editing documents. Okay, so what I've opened here is Notepad. Okay, so Notepad just allows you to create documents. Okay, and just type any text that you want here. If you're writing a letter, you can use this. You can type anything that you want. Nothing fancy, nothing so much to see. Okay, so this is what a text editing document looks like. The most basic of it. You can also use Microsoft Word. But then let me also show you what a text editor for software development looks like. So the text editor that you are seeing now on the screen is called Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code looks like that. So let's say we wanted to create a new file. Create a new file. Okay, let's just let's create a new folder. Okay. See, this one even allows you to create your own folders and whatnot. Another one, not so much. Okay, where's open folder? Okay, let's just create a new file. New file. So let's say maybe you want to create index, right? So let's say index.php. Let us create that. Let's save it on our desktop. Let's say create file. So when I do this, I say I open the PHP environment. See that? So if I needed to create, let's say a variable, I'll say name is equal to Samuel Jones, right? You see that I terminate. So it gives me this option of these lines of code. It counts the lines of code for me, unlike in Notepad. Nothing is shown there, right? So it's just got enhanced features for you to help you program or to write code correctly. You can see that, okay, what I'm doing there, let's say I want to import a file from somewhere, okay, like that. So that's the difference between a text editor for editing documents and a text editor for software developers or running software or creating software. So here you have got GitHub, you have other packages, you have Thunder Client. So anyway, that's just the difference between a text editor meant for software developers and text editor meant for editing documents. So I think we have seen the difference between a text editor for software development and a text editor just for editing documents. So that's what you need to know: the text editors for software development and text editors for editing documents.